I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain playing games on school computers. Many students wonder if they can play popular titles like Call of Duty on school devices. However, school computers are designed for learning, not gaming, and come with robust security. These systems are put in place to ensure a focused educational environment and protect the network. Understanding these limitations is the first step to avoiding potential issues. School networks employ several layers of security to prevent gaming. Firewalls act as digital gatekeepers, blocking connections to thousands of known gaming servers and websites. Additionally, software restrictions prevent you from installing new applications, including game clients. Content filters also scan for keywords and categories, ensuring that even browser-based games are often inaccessible. These measures are designed to maintain network integrity and prevent distractions. It's important to remember that school networks are not private. Administrators actively monitor network traffic for suspicious activity, including attempts to bypass security. If detected, trying to circumvent these systems can have significant consequences. This might range from losing your computer access for a period to more severe disciplinary actions like suspension, depending on your school's specific policies. Prioritizing your education and adhering to rules is always the best approach. Instead of trying to play games on school computers, consider responsible alternatives. Your personal devices, like a home computer or gaming console, are perfect for enjoying Call of Duty and other games during your free time. There are also many free browser-based games available for personal use that don't require installation. Remember, school computers are valuable tools for learning, so dedicating your time there to academics is always the smartest choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.